Hello and thanks for watching the last video of Palo Alto video training series. In this last video, I just want to show you the application command center or ACC section and the dashboard. Uh, uh, we don't really have too much traffic on the demo environment that we've been working on, so we don't really have much reporting to show you on application command center, but I have connected to one of the actual production firewalls that I have, so I can show you the specific bits and pieces and information that you can see in there. So there are different sections in the firewall that you can see. Obviously on the dashboard there are some general information about the firewall system, resources, logged in admins, data logs, and all those kind of things. So these widgets can be added or removed, so you could just add another widget for top applications, for example. If you want to see that, just added another widget for top application, or you could basically remove these widgets by clicking on the icon, closing icon on the top. So you have a bit of a flexibility to play around with these widgets and make it basically the kind of look that you want, and could change the refresh rate from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or make it manual, so you have the flexibility to do that as well. Apart from the dashboard, we have a tab for Application Command Center, or ACC, which is a very high-level, nice view of how the traffic looks like on our firewall. So you can see in the Application Command Center, these are basically the top applications that you can see: DNS, web browsing, SSL, blah, blah, blah. So it'll give us basically the risk rating on each application as well, which is based on the number of threats and things that's been detected, a number of blocks and all those kind of things that's been detected for that particular application. It gives you the traffic and things like that. So you could change that to, high risk applications, categories, subcategories, technology risk. So you could just change it to high risk application and get a different view if you want to, or leave it as just applications, get the view that you want. So these names are mainly like hyperlinks. You can click on it and get more granular, detailed information about what it is and how it works, and there is some useful information about the service, DNS service, for example, how it works, what it is. Go to Wikipedia and other things if you want to do some research about one application, specific application. And you can see, obviously, the source IP addresses, top source, top destination, and very, very useful information in terms of troubleshooting and understanding the pattern of the traffic in the network. They'll give you a lot of nice, reports, top sources, countries, destination countries, so you can understand basically the pattern of DNS traffic exactly on your network, and who is doing what and who is accessing your DNS servers from which countries most, and all those kind of details. It can give you very, very nice detailed reports. There are other obviously sections. If you go to ACC again, there are other sections as well, like URL filtering, for example. So you can see that the computer and internet info is pretty much the highest category in the range. We have 8.8 gig of traffic on that particular category. Web advertisement, content delivery, blah blah blah. So you can basically click again on any of these links and get more granular details about specific categories and specific details. So you can see that Trend Micro has been the toughest, and I assume that's because the antivirus has been trying to update, and that's obviously causing these to be top of the list, SSL, web browsing, blah, blah. So that also gives us some nice granular report, or the users and destinations, and, countries, and all those kind of details that would be nice. United States, for example, is one of the top destination countries, and so on. So again, lots of nice reports that you could use it, and it's useful. Threads, so obviously an important one. So you could just, if you see any critical thread in there, you could just click on the name and get more information about the thread and where it's coming from and who is doing what. So you could find out that IP address is doing some scanning on the network, which we should find out who he is and why they're doing scanning on the network, which is obviously important. Data filtering, obviously. So if we are filtering something, it'll tell you what is being filtered and why. So for example, we just click on the zip category, so you can see that what has been obviously the data, zip data communication between what sources and what destinations. So that'll give you some understanding about obviously the pattern of the files which are available on your network as well. Back to ACC again. So yeah, so there are a number of obviously nice features and reporting available for you guys to obviously review. The application command center is really a cool feature of Palo Alto Firewalls that you can just click on any link and get a lot of information in one page, very simple, very basic, and easily and understand obviously the operation of your firewall and understand the operation of your network, and obviously do a risk analysis. So yeah, so basically that's the end of our training. We have talked about obviously different tabs and different methods, and how we create a test lab on Palo Alto, and how to create reporting and monitoring, and what the dashboard is. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video series, and I am available obviously for any question or any concern that you guys might have. Feel free to ping me, send me an email, or contact me in any way on LinkedIn, or whatever you like. I would be more than happy to help, and I really appreciate that you have taken some time to watch this video, and I really hope that you've enjoyed it. Thanks a lot, and I appreciate it again.